Okay, well, it's Wednesday still, and I'm at Lowe's, and I finally found... No, I didn't find it. Bianca found the stupid leak for the coolant. I think this explains why my coolant's disappearing. I'm really, really excited, which is odd because you'd think I'd be horrified in this situation, but it's not my head gasket. Look at this. Just dumping out of the radiator. Time to go get another radiator. It's going to be a few $100, but it's not a new truck. Yes! Deal with this as we can. Whew, we made it home. That's an adventure. I don't like the feeling of driving a vehicle with no coolant reservoir full and it spewing out all over the place. Okay, so we picked up a new radiator out of our emergency savings. It was $155. We now need to replace the radiator.
Sorry. The way picked up mine,
Yeah.
I threw it.
Sand in my eyes, Bianca.
Sorry, and mine too.
So we got a new radiator, it's $150. Going to replace it now. We also have to lose all of our coolant. Now that's how the toy's meant to be used, huh? Hi. Are you stealing Daddy's phone? No. Can you say hi and wave? Why are you too shy today? Come on. Say hi. Oh, that's even better. You gonna drive the truck while we change the radiator? Thank you for stopping, Bianca.
Welcome.
Alright, so here's Bianca's fancy new tool set that I got her. And, okay,
this.
throttle body cover's coming off.
And then loosen this.
Loosen
and
that.
Remove this.
the air
so
clip.
This giant thing can get out.
She was just saying she wished she had a giant table she could put all of the items
right
on.
around here. Because I can sit on the truck and have a table here. Because now this is in my way. But
Yep.
I still need the tools.
I know. Now you know mechanics' woes. Alright, so we're pretty much going to have to take this fan shroud off of the vehicle. And in order to do that, there's just a few fasteners. And then we have to get this thing off. And then unfortunately, it looks like the water pump needs to be disconnected from the fan. So that huge, like, I think it was 36 millimeter?
I don't remember.
36 millimeter nut is right there. And then that'll disconnect the fan. And we will lift both of these out. And then, sorry, I'm trying to drop all your tools. And then hopefully we will lift out the entire radiator and put the new one in. Hey. Okay, so something awesome happened. So they had two models of the radiator available, and they said, they came out and looked at our radiator. You could only see this tiny little thing here. Let's see if I can get in there. See that tiny radiator there in the front? Nope, hang on, let me switch cameras. Switching cameras! Okay, so there's this radiator right here, and it's, you know, whatever wide. There's a huge space, and then another radiator in front. So, the other model was way thicker, and with all these shrouds on, you could only see the front of it, and you could tell that it wasn't double. So we wanted to obviously replace it with what we knew it had, just in case the bigger one wouldn't fit, because we didn't have all this stuff obviously off at the store. So, we do have space. If we look way over here, we can see there's a tab for the other radiator to clip into for the double. So we're going back and we're getting the double because we can hook it up. As long as it'll fit, we're good to go. So we're gonna run back down to where we just came from. The guy said he'd hold the doors even though we're gonna be there a little after closing. Man, this is an amazing town. Hey, sweetie, look at that beautiful sunset behind us. Yeah, isn't it beautiful, huh? All right, just waiting on Bia to put her tools in her nice case, and we're gonna roll out of here. Have to top off our coolant though because, yeah, giant leak. Yeah, we forgot that. We don't have time to put it on. Come on, it's okay. We'll put it on in a minute. It's the next day, Thursday. I'm off to my dentist appointment. Didn't get a chance to fix that last night because Bia got home like 9:30 or 10 or so with the radiator. So now I'm gonna go to the dentist and I'll be back later. Hopefully we'll swap this out tonight. Yes.